I'll demonstrate how to use a writing bot to generate up to $500 per article. Take out your smartphone, check that your internet connection is active, and then just adhere to the brief lesson I'll be giving for you. Let's start with this fantastic notion. Simply click the first link to get the Done For You program that enables beginners to start making $500 per day right away. If it is still available, you can get a Done For You technique and learn the best method to make money online. You should keep checking since only the first 25 people who click the initial link in the description and join up will get access to this. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. The domain name for this website is Jasper.ai, the finest tool for anyone wishing to start creating content and making money online. It is considered to be the writing of the future. Do a Google search for Jasper content creation before visiting the page. Jasper AI is at the bottom of the page if you scroll down. The website is one you don't want to visit. Instead, click the link for the free trial at the bottom of the page. Without even having to pay for the software, you may start making money right away by signing up for a free trial on this website. By visiting the software's homepage and selecting pricing from the menu at the top, you can see that the product is not that pricey. It just costs around $30 to $40 per month. If you start getting jobs that start paying you over $500 after deducting your monthly payment, you can fast start generating more than $400 for each work you complete. Simply keep an eye out for the phrase free trial, which will enable you to sign up without ever having to pay for the service and start earning money before the trial is up. To register, click here and fill out your contact information where it says claim free words. When you log into your account, you'll see your dashboard and a free video tutorial that will walk you through all the ways you can use the software to your advantage. However, if you click on templates, you'll see all the various things this program is capable of. Today, we'll monetize it through blog articles. In addition to creating blog posts, I'll start composing your Facebook ads, Google ads, Amazon product listing, and YouTube video scripts. With this extensive feature, this tool can help you begin making money. Today, we're going to employ it to generate income by writing blog posts. You'll start by entering the subject of the article you wish to create. The article you write will depend on the job you end up with, but let me quickly show you how it works for you. For example, if you want to create an article about losing weight, you might type in fastest way to lose weight, or you could enter keywords. To do this, go to the very top and click on Documents, then click here where it says Blog Post Workflow. You just need to click Continue, and then you'll be asked to provide the title of your article. You can either think of your own title or click here and it will generate ideas for new names for your blog posts. The fastest way to lose weight and how to shred pounds quickly options are available when you use one of these. It will prompt you for your introduction paragraph. Select Generate Ideas once more, and a paragraph will be generated for you. Simply choose the beginning paragraph you prefer after that, or click Generate More Ideas if you need more inspiration. You won't be able to find this article elsewhere online because they are entirely original content ideas. You're going to start writing your first article right here, so choose the one you want. Scroll down to the bottom and click Open Editor. Since it has already written the introduction for you, you only need to write the first sentence of the following paragraph. For example, you may begin typing something similar to this and then click here, right where it says Compose at the bottom. You can see that it is currently starting to construct an article for you. Only the first sentence of the paragraph needs to be entered. The rest will be written automatically. With half of the ideas coming from you and the other half from the bot, it's a great way to start creating creative content. Giving it a quick introduction and letting it write the rest of the work on its own means you never have to sit for hours trying to come up with the next phrase or paragraph. The rest of the post will be automatically generated for you if you enter the second task you wish to complete at the bottom and then click the Compose button at the second time. You won't do anything else then. You came up with the idea, but since you're going to enter small ideas here, The bot just said it for you. To view your first article at any time inside of your documents after you finished writing it, simply click Back after you're done. Simply click it to open a new window where you can edit it, possibly make changes or reuse it. Continue typing, make it better, or even add a few of your own touches. Check this out. You may add a voice to your material on the left, like serious or clever. If you want your material to rank for particular keywords, this can be crucial. Any keyword you choose to include in the article will be added automatically the next time you click Compose at the bottom. Check this out. All you need to do to start the post on your own is to give it a few straightforward ideas. Copying your content is the next step, after which you should visit Google Docs. Create a Google Docs account if you don't already have one. To paste a new article, copy it and then click the blank page in Google Docs. After saving it as a PDF, you'll be able to deliver it to clients and consumers who will pay you for it. Simply come back to Jasper.ai whenever you want to create a new blog post. Paste your article here and then click Download to save it as a PDF file at the top of the page, right below File. After clicking the plus button next to the documents, choose Blog from the drop-down menu and then start creating a new article. Now I'll show you a few online stores where you can sell your work. The initial website is called Upwork.com. To begin your job search, sign up for a free account here. Click Find Work, then find work for your skills, and enter keywords like blog writer or blog post. After that, you'll find thousands of blog article jobs that real clients and real people from all over the world have submitted here. Some of them will only pay you $10, others will pay you $20, yet others will pay you $100, and still others will pay you up to $1,000, depending on the assignment and the numbers of articles they need for their website. To get paid, all you have to do is register for an Upwork account, browse these jobs, and submit an application. Freelancer.com can be used as the second website. Again, you should register for a free account and then choose Browse Jobs in the account's very top menu. Click here to search for a blog post and then click Search to see all of the most current blog article jobs that have been posted. You can use Jasper.ai to edit articles even if you don't want to. The article will be revised and tested for grammatical mistakes when you upload the file they supplied you and click Fix Grammar at the top. You may potentially start getting paid more than $100 each edit for editing articles. Peruse these job vacancies, pick one, place a bid on it, and then begin making money. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.